Oh, I have idea. I need a giant box. Wow, really giant Pringles. Friends, let's make together giant chips. Potato. Smash it. Smash potato.
Wow!
It's easy. Let's add some flour and water
And pepper! Yes! Yes! More pepper!
Very easy.
You see this? Let's go!
A few moments later. Wow! So giant Pringles! Wow! We make this together! Wow! Small! 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 Yes! It's very easy! Let's try this! Wow! It's very giant Pringles! Maybe sauce? Friends, subscribe my channel and watch my next video.